We have one more wild render. This one coming via 9 to 5 Mac and put together by Antonio De Rosa. And this is a Mac Pro concept, which is maybe a little closer to feasible, although still quite avant-garde. This seems to draw some level of inspiration from earlier Macs with that flat front and the thing that looks like a disk drive, but actually in this case is a couple of USB ports, and I think an SD card reader possibly. It has a handle on it, and then on the back is where things get interesting because it looks so slim and trim, almost like, I don't know, 2 Mac Minis attached at the hip. But then you get this top portion, which in this design makes the system modular. And these modules would be storage or GPUs or, well, any variety of things that you might need. If you scroll down, there's actually another really cool video clip showcasing how this might work. Now, there's been a rumor for a while that Apple was going to maybe keep the current Mac Pro form factor for those that want the super traditional tower situation, but then rethink a more minimal version, considering how powerful the M1 chip is and how it's been received by the community and the fact that there's improvements that are set to come out. Like, people are amazed at what they're doing with the Mac Mini. And you can see the backside of that sort of has a similar look to it. And so it's not that crazy to imagine a smaller desktop Mac Pro, but I still don't think it's going to look like this. But imagine slotting those modules in like as if they were a game cartridge, like new GPU.
They got to blow on it first?
I probably wouldn't recommend it. Probably wouldn't recommend that.
Yeah.